What's up, everybody? We're out here fishing, and one of our prior videos we're at this pond and we were throwing like frogs and heavy algae, and now I guess some of the residents put some chemical in the pond, and now there's little, any vegetation, and the water's super clear and shallow, and we can kind of see the bass. And I mean, right now we've been just making a few casts. Some of the bass just aren't biting. It's kind of the middle of the day. They're a little finicky because the water just is so clear now. But hopefully catch some fish, and stay tuned. Got one.
Look how dark that is.
Oh yeah.
Look how dark he is, dude.
First one of the day. He is dumb dark. This kind of looks like a Florida bass.
Yeah. Dude, look at his
Barely
face.
hooked.
Dude, the one I had one of those like right here. Probably has some disease or something.
That looks like a hook right there. This is from a hook.
Oh, you think?
100%. That's a healing hook wound. Probably from your boy Kev. Don't know what just happened there. Something just fucking... Hopefully not. I think it did. Fuck, dude. That thing was nice as shit. He just came out and ate it. Jesus Christ, man. That's so annoying. And you do. And this person's fucking dog is out, which is so annoying because they're gonna come out now. Dude, I should be using a Kai tag the whole time, dude. Yeah. I've gotten more bites on this than I did on any other lure all day combined. Yeah, dude.
Oh, he's a little guy.
Yeah. I just missed another super small one the other over there.
Still a fish. Is that second or third?
Second. And I just missed, like, I had one on over there and it came off. And I obviously just broke off the one. I'm not going in this damn water. I'll dip off like hot butter. I would still dip off like hot butter. Yeah, but he's not gonna chase you. What's the other option? What?
That's exactly what it would do.
It's not gonna chase you if you run away. Black bears aren't like... Hey, I got a little pickerel piece. Yeah. It's a small one. On the swim bait. These guys are so, like, angry. Yeah, like they're hard to grab because they're like slippery, and then they're just flipping, and then it's all excessive. Like, I'm gonna get this hook out. It took it out easily. There's a pumpkin seed right there.
My choice arrived. So slamming niggas Play-Doh cane. These bass are like so gay.
Oh, a little bit better. Right?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, for sure.
That's better. It's like a...
Oh,
yeah.
Dude, that's solid.
Yeah, that's solid. That's solid. It's like 1.5 pounds or 1.25 pounds or something.
Shit we've been catching.
Yeah, dude. Shit we've been catching's been ass.
Kinda hit hard.
Yeah, this is too bad, but it's the biggest bass of the day. But I think we're gonna move spots soon. Do. Just put in like a popper. You don't have to fish. You don't have to fish topwater. I'm gonna fish topwater. Like you're being soft at the pickerel thing. I tend to agree that about.
I thought I lost that fish. Oh,
This I feel like it's in pickerel. No, it's a bass. Yeah, it's like the last one. Is it? Well, that's a little bit nicer than the other one. We're getting bigger here. That's like 1.5 pounds. I mean, nothing to write home about, obviously. Not that I would actually write home ever anyway.
Yeah, why would you say that? That's like the weirdest expression.
Not really. It's a pretty widely used expression. All right, little 1.5 pounds for kind of nice bass of the day, unfortunately. Here you go. But they're getting bigger. I mean, we were catching all dinks for a while, all dinks and pickerel, and now we just caught a couple like solid-ish bass. Like swim it, you mean? You mean like it's kind of like swim? Oh, whoa, whoa! I hate. The only thing bad part about hats, dude, you have no like upward vision, so I could not see that branch. This happens to me all the time when I go fishing. I hit branches with my face. Yeah, got a little Joan. It's like 1 pounder. Maybe a little bit less. The unhooking process was not worth the actual fish, but little guy in the papa. As you can see, we moved from the first spot. We're at this pond now. We're about to leave and go to another pond because we didn't really catch much at this pond. We caught a bunch of fish. I caught 10 bass, 2 pickerel. Goose caught 9 bass, 4 pickerel, but we didn't really catch much size, so we're leaving. No, dude, there was no way that thing was a bass. It was way too big.
What?
That thing was way too big to be a bass. Yeah.
Carps, do they do that?
Yeah, carps jump sometimes. Whoa! Little guy in the frog. Always nice to get a frog bite though. Not big at all. Got him with 1 hook. I'm using this frog on a spinning rod because that's kind of all I have right now. There's something wrong with my bait caster with braid. So I'm just tossing this thing on a spinning rod. Not optimal, but just caught that one. I'm using this little light frog. Little natural color, looks pretty good. Another one on the froggy doggy. This guy got hooked nice and good. Another little like pounder. That's my 14th or 15th bass of the day. 3rd one at this spot. No, 4th one at this spot, sorry. So it's 15th. All right, finishing up our day. I caught 16 bass, 2 pickerel. Goose caught 12 bass, 4 pickerel. It's a lot of fish, nothing really of notable size. We had a fun day, got some good topwater blowups. Hope you enjoyed our little pond hopping video. And please leave a comment if you have any questions or just anything really. And like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.